everyone, welcome to 2018, and with the change of the new year comes the opportunity for a new planner, a new agenda. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you would have seen last year's video when I got the 2017 Kate Spade agenda, and I was very, very happy with that. So this year I went back and I got the 2018 one. So today I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a tour of this agenda and tell you what I'm going to be using it for. So this is the 2018 Kate Spade agenda or planner, however you want to call it. And it is actually a 17-month planner, but unfortunately, you know, I already had a planner, so I never really used them for that full 17 months. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so this is just a piece of cardboard, so we don't really need that. But here you have the inside of the planner. And so it's nice. It has, you know, this agenda belongs to, if found, please call. So you can put in contact information if you want. It also has this pocket. So if you have things you need to stick in here, like letters or notes or anything, it has that option, which is always nice. So something that's new this year is these stickers. It's just one sheet, but if we look a little bit closer, they're pretty fun. So there's these like lipstick kiss ones, these little admit one movie tickets. You can maybe put them on a day when you're going to the movie. Some fun arrows, champagne glasses, you know, lovely classic sort of Kate Spade styling. Don't forget to-dos. And then you even have these other ones for like parties and meetings and workout and vacation and play hooky and things like that, which are funny. I wish there were more vacation stickers because I love going on vacation and those are the ones I want to use. Like just fun Kate Spade stuff and in the classic Kate Spade styling. So I'm really looking forward to these because last year's calendar did not have these. And then you have just a general layout of 2018, 2019 celebration. So if you want to put down birthdays, or I'll often use this to put like festivals that I'm very interested in going to. So it's broken up by month, so you can really put in whatever you want here, but it's kind of a nice all over look at the year, you know, so you can look in one place and say like, oh, I know the big things that I'm going to be doing. So then they have, this is the same as last year, they have a list of holidays. They are American focused. So if you are in other countries, like I'm in Canada, the Canadian dates don't fall here. And then you have some note paper. I always like having the note paper because this can be a place that you can, not journal, but you can kind of work out some of your creative ideas and make some progress there. So if you did buy this in August 2017, you're going to be able to use these 5 months of the agenda. I didn't, but it's kind of nice if you're just first getting into agendas. That's awesome to have. So here we are in January 2018, which it currently is for me. And here, you know, Kate Spade often has little motivational sayings and stuff. So here, get a head start. And I think that's kind of fun for January. You know, it's the beginning of the year. You want to start planning things out. And so each month starts with a monthly calendar spread. Again, I love seeing everything sort of in one place. So here I can scan my month. If there's a festival, if we're traveling, I can sort of get a sense of what's going on here. And then it has some place for notes. So, you know, if you're working towards a goal and you want to check it off as you go, this is really nice to have. And then the way this is set up after that is that each day has a number of lines. Saturday and Sunday are a little bit smaller. They share a section that's a weekday would have by itself. But I think that makes sense because if you're using this sort of as your work agenda, probably most of your work would happen throughout the week. And hopefully this is more fun stuff that you might not even put in your agenda. You might just, you know, remember that you're going to a movie. So that's how it works out. Each month has a new quote. Seal it with a kiss for February. Play dress up for Halloween's October. Like, it's kind of fun like that. Yeah. So that's basically what is in this agenda. And so I'm looking forward to it because this year I want to set some goals. And I think by having an agenda, and of course it has this little elastic to keep it closed. That's also nice if you have a lot of like paper stuffed in it, like I'll often do. But I'm excited for this because I want to set a bunch of goals for 2018, and I think if I can visually mark down my progress in an agenda, that's going to help me. I'm going to see when my next step is, check off the steps I've already done, and that's going to be awesome. If you are setting goals, feel free to tell me down below. I'm very interested in seeing what kind of goals other people are setting. You know, we can always be on this journey together in that case, you know? If you like planning, if you like agendas, if you like this kind of video, feel free to do a little tap on the subscribe button and maybe even on the little bell icon, and then you will find out every time I post a new video. So, as always, thanks for watching. Bye!